All right, here we go.
St. Louis.
Recording for Reese. This is right after we just got done turning in section 2-4 homework. Okay, and so this is the end of the chapter. Woo! Okay, before we do chapter review and take the chapter test, we've got to do this, which is like your final kind of graphing project type thing. So it's going to ask you to do a stem and leaf plot, a bunch of charts. It asks you to create a frequency table using the data that we did at the beginning of the year. Do you remember this? Okay, we won't use all of these pieces of information. In fact, I don't think we do birth weight yet. But make sure you have this table all filled in. Does anybody not have this table? Yes, you need one. Where is yours?
No, it's not filled in. I'm missing like a few columns.
Okay, all right. I'll show it up here in just a second, or cheat off of somebody else's. Okay, perfect. All right, but you need this paper, and don't throw this paper away when you are done with this project, because we come back to this like a lot throughout the year. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna give you a lot of time to work today, but here are your summaries of a bunch of different charts. Right, the first thing it asks is for a dot plot or a box plot. I'm going to put on here a dot plot, because dot plot and box plot, sometimes they will call them the same thing, all right? So, and you are doing that for student heights. How many people do we have on here?
Probably like 20.
Are we including me or are we not including me? I don't care.
We're including you.
Including me in student heights? Okay, so with Mrs. K, that's 16 people. Okay, so you should have 16. All right, who's the shortest? Is it me? And here's what I would do. I would leave them as the height in inches, right? And not put like 5'1". Okay, what's the shortest? I'm the shortest? 60 and a half, so I would go 60. Okay? All right, and then who's the tallest?
70.
Billy is 70?
72.
Billy's 72?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right. So,
Wait, Billy is 72 and
what's halfway between 60 and 72?
72 and a
Billy
half.
is 72 and a half.
Okay, so let's go 70, I don't know.
You know, like 75.
I'd say go 80.
Eli's, who's 75?
Just do like 75 as the
No.
end.
Eli's 70 and a half.
What do we want to go by?
72 and a half.
I'm going to do this. Let's go 62. Don't do this yet. Don't do this yet. Don't do this yet. 64, 66, 68. That I'm not spread far enough apart. True?
Yeah, you could go farther apart.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay, so don't do this yet. I'm gonna go 62. So that means this is 61. Okay. 64, 66, 68. If you want to get a ruler and make this like exactly the same apart, you just go on right ahead. 72. We'll go 74. Okay. Whatever. Something of that nature, and then I'm going to do my little tick marks. Okay, you don't have to label every single one. I'm only going to label the evens. Whatever, right? So if I'm the shortest one, I am 60 and a half. Are you going to do dots or are you going to do X's? I don't care. Which one?
Dots.
You're going to do dots? Okay, I am 60 and a half. Where do I go?
Between.
Right there. That's me. Okay, do we have two people that are tied? Who's tied? What? Anybody that's the same height exactly?
Carter and Matthew.
And what are they?
68.
68 and a half. That is right here and right here. Okay? You see how that works? Okay.
We have some time to do that. Wait, so we got
All right, and the last thing.
the label.
You have to label your chart. I'm going to label it below. So these are heights. Heights for stats class. And I'm going to say
Inches.
IN for inches. Please label your charts.
Okay, give us some stuff.
Label your charts. Okay? All right. Do you want me to just give you time to work, or you want me to talk through the
So,
rest
like,
of
what
them?
if it's like
Let's walk through
3/4?
all of them.
Does that matter? We have some 3/4
What?
ones. Do we just kind of go over a little bit?
Oh yeah. Sure. Yes. Yeah. So 3/4 is gonna be like 3/4 is gonna be like right here.
Too much writing.
Yeah, like a dot really close. Okay. Do you want me to talk through all of these and then we'll
No.
go back and give you time?
On it. We're good.
You're good. You don't need anything else for me. Stem and leaf plot.
I hate that.
4.
No,
make
no.
sure that you're keeping. I'm just gonna chat like one thing about. Make sure you're doing what I tell you to. Okay, you're not dealing with heights anymore. You're doing student pulse rates. What's the lowest student pulse rate? 50? 50. So you're gonna start with 5. Okay, what's the highest one?
We have lots of 68s at home.
115.
So I'm gonna go 10 and 11. And 9 and 8 and 7 and 6. Right? Stem and leaf plot. Student pulse rates. And you can put BPM. What's that stand for? Beats per minute, so they know how many beats there were in a minute. There you go. That's 2. Okay. You have all this data, right? There's 16. You should have 16 numbers all the way through. You know what you're doing? Should we talk through some of the other ones?
No.
Pie chart.
Girl.
I feel like we should do one of these pie charts together.
Yeah, we should, but not right now.
Yeah, but then I have to like pause the video and then come back and do all the things.
Let's just do it.
I feel like we should just front load it and then you can come back.
That's
Yep. We'll do one pie chart together and one Pareto chart together. How about that? Since there's 2 of each, right? Okay, pie chart. Eye color, I'm just gonna make this my title. Eye color for stats students. I'll say stats class because we're including me, right?
We need protractor.
Favorite color for stats class. All right. I need some eye colors. How many different eye colors do we have?
We have blue, green, brown, and peas.
Blue,
And gray.
green, brown, hazel,
Gray.
and gray. Is it G-R-A-Y or G-R-E-Y?
A-Y.
I never know.
It's EY.
It's E-Y. It's A.
I think it's A-Y.
It's E-Y.
It is E-Y. I don't care. You do however you want to spell it.
The British way is EY because this is what I learned in school.
The British way is E-Y, so we are A-Y.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I've never seen it this way, if I'm being honest.
Really? You've never seen AY? I don't. Honestly, this is one that trips me up. I don't know how many there are. Okay. Blue. How many blue eyes are there? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. How many green?
1, 2, 3.
3. How many brown?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Hazel?
1,
Gray.
1.
Okay.
Hold on.
And that makes a total of 11, 14, 15, 16. 16 people. Okay. All right.
Don't we need a protractor?
Yeah, we will here in just a second. Okay. 6 out of 16 is what decimal?
Oh, I don't
Somebody have a calculator?
out. Give me
Calculator?
a minute. Give me a moment.
Who's my calculators? Billy's got it. 6 over 16. Go.
3.375.
Oh, I should have known that. That was so stupid of me. Say, Mrs. Cometer, what are you doing? 0.375.
So 37.
So 37.5%, but then we want to figure out how many degrees that is. So we take him times 360, which is, don't tell me, 135 degrees. Check me.
Wait, we divide by
Times.
135.
135 degrees. Awesome. Okay. 3 over 16 is disgusting.
0.1875.
0.1875 times 360 is how many degrees?
67.5.
67.5. All these are going to be 0.5s after the first group. 5 over 16 is how many?
5 16 is 0.3125.
Times 360.
112.5.
Okay, and 1 over 16. 0.1,
0.0625.
0.0625 times 360.
22.5. Ooh, what?
Yeah. And this one will be 0.0625 and 22.5 degrees also. You see how we get those? Yeah. Okay. All right, which category do you start with? Blue. Blue is, you can do this without a thing actually.
We're gonna use a
A protractor? You don't need one. You don't have to have one. I mean, I don't know why this is not erasing. Like my screen is possessed and I even restarted him. Ah, he's making me super angry. Okay, here we go. Ready? 135 degrees. Okay, don't write this down. This is 180. This is 90. 135 is right in the middle. Yeah?
Be a crooked line.
Sure. Just use, yeah, I don't know. Whatever. 135 degrees. All right, what are we going to put in that little chunk? Blue. I'll even color code him for you. Blue and what?
Just blue.
130.
Oh, you got
37.5%, so I know for sure. Okay. All right. 112.5 degrees goes next. All right. This, I'm going off of here. That would be 180, true?
Yes.
This
90.
is 90. This is 135. Right?
So like in
This is 112.5. Do you see that?
so almost straight
Right.
down, but
Like almost straight down. Yep.
a little
Yep.
bit too. So that's gonna be brown.
That is brown. I don't have a color brown.
And
I don't know. I'll just make him black. Brown.
What do you
Brown.
do for gray?
And brown is
31.30.
31.25%. We'll just go ahead and do the 25.
I'm going 3.
Okay? Good?
I'm gonna go to
All right. Next is 67.5. Okay? This is 90. This is 45. 67.5 is that. Blah. Actually, and I'm just going to leave those other two because those were both 22.5. Ugh, except he's not in the middle.
I messed up. Cody, it's gonna be wrong.
My eraser's not erasing very well. Oh gosh, I really can't. Reese is probably saying, hold your line down. There we go. Ha. Got it. I have one straight line. Whatever. All right, so my other one is green. And he is, how much? Yeah, 18.75 degrees. Okay. Does it matter which one goes first?
No.
Which one goes first?
Alphabetically.
When you said percent.
Oh, no. Yep, you're right. I just didn't finish my percent, right? Which one goes first? Hazel?
Hazel.
I don't know what color Hazel is. Hazel is going to be purple today. And Hazel is 6.25%. And gray, we'll make gray red. I don't know. Because I don't. See there? I wanted to spell it with an E. I don't know. 6.25% as well. Okay? And I have my heading. I colored for stats class. There it is. Got it? A nice visual that is adding to my data. Yep. Now, fancy. We're going to do eye color for a Pareto chart. So I'm going to say eye color for stats class. Okay, but what is a Pareto chart? It sounds like burrito, but what's a Pareto chart? A bar graph.
That don't touch.
But wait, you have
And
to
they
go
don't
with the
touch.
tallest one.
And you start with the tallest one first. Okay, let's label our axes. What's down here?
Blue. Oh,
What goes down here on the bottom?
color.
Eye color. EYECOLOR. What goes here?
Number of people,
Number of students, or we'll say number of people.
because you're not a
Yep.
student.
You could put frequency if you want to on the side, right? Frequency means how many there are. Okay, we already have our data up here. That's fancy. 6 is the highest we need to go, so I'm gonna put 6. I'm gonna put 6 all the way at the top. Okay, and then if I halvesies, that's 3, and if I split those, that's 1 and 2, and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay,
Going 60.
because 6 is the highest category. So 6 is my tallest tower. I'm gonna go ahead and do 6. Whoop. Oh gosh. Over and down. Fancy. I don't know why you did that. All right, at the bottom, you're going to label blue.
Brown.
Oh, I should have made him blue. Whoops. That's okay. Oh, now it's giving me colors. Blue. Okay, which one's next? Brown?
Blue, brown, green, red.
Okay.
and
No, I don't want that. There we go. Brown. Okay, brown is 5.
That looks so perfect.
I know, they're so fancy. Brown. Okay. Next, green. And green is 3. Oh gosh.
Then it's
Oh
gray.
gosh, why are you doing these things to me? My pen has been possessed today. I really had to. I had to like restart my thing. Hazel, what color's Hazel?
What's your burrito trying?
We have to do gray next, don't we?
Nice.
Because alphabetically or not?
I don't know. I don't. Whatever you want to do.
Well, I
What
know
color's
green,
Hazel?
so-
Hazel's like a blue green, right? Isn't it?
We used purple in the
So
one
many
before.
colors. Hazel's
Okay,
like
we'll do
brown
purple.
green.
But I think I hazel. I think I like a brown one, golden hue.
Who's my one Hazeler in here? Mackenzie?
How would you define hazel, Mackenzie? You said it was yours.
And gray is the last one.
What was your sheet?
Ma'am.
Oh, those do not look like the same height. Boop. Ah, those still don't look like the same height.
Can you just
No,
copy
it doesn't. There we go.
Can't you
Yeah,
just
but they wouldn't be the
select it and
same.
copy
There we
and
go.
paste? It's gonna be a different
But they would be a different color. There you go. I took way too much time on that. Anyway, there you go. Beautiful. And now the second one looks taller. Whatever. They're both one. Okay, got it? Favorite color? You're gonna do favorite color on that one? Like the same thing?
Sadly, there's
Okay.
options.
All right. I'll go through time series with you and then I'll give you time to work. Okay? Time series. How do I do time series? For the number of students enrolled in stats. Do you guys have a thing for that?
No.
No. I have to give that to you.
What is it?
Number of students enrolled in stats. Oh, right there.
Right.
Do you see this paper right here? You already have this filled in, right? But do you see this paper that comes after it? It's like right before the chapter 2, whatever. Keep
So we
going.
have- so
Keep
we have-
scrolling.
We have 15.
Keep scrolling.
It's one page after the homework.
Yeah. Okay. You see? Keep flipping.
We
Keep
have
flipping.
15,
Right there.
right?
There it is. The bottom of that. Yep.
15.
Okay, we have 15 and 24, 25. Okay? So there you go. What happened right here?
Where?
Right there. We went from 8 and 6 to 19, 17, 15, 16, 15.
COVID.
No.
College class.
I started offering it for college credit. This is when I got my master's. Right there. So ever before that, it wasn't for college credit. Now everybody's like, I want to take it because I want the college credit, right? So there you go. You can see trends.
So the years
Right?
on the, years on the
Okay,
bottom.
so on the bottom of your time series,
Wait, I thought we not
We can
counting
get
you.
trend in here.
Yeah, what?
yeah, we're not counting me in this case. What? What?
We're offering trend now? Trend below
What are you talking about?
No,
Straight up. Here, man. Come on, man.
I don't know what you're talking. Quit speaking. You confuse me. All right, I'm going to say number.
What are you talking about?
Here's my chart title.
Number.
Number of students enrolled in statistics.
Or just underline what you have.
Sure, right? Okay. All right, on the bottom is, what should we put on the bottom?
Years.
Years. Okay.
Oh, no.
If you want to, if we're talking about like year ending, we can say year ending. How about that? Instead of saying years, we'll say year ending. And then we can just put, like you guys' year ending will be 2015. Or 2015. 2025.
So it'll be
Woo! I just skipped a whole decade. 2024 year ending. 2023 year ending. Yeah? 2022 year ending. how far do I go back?
2019.
2020, 2019? Oh gosh, I didn't spread these out far enough. Anyway, whatever. Move those over. I'll move them over.
I'm gonna just.
Whoop, something like that, or spread them apart. Okay, I'm gonna put my little thing like this. Whoop, like that. Okay, what's the most number?
16, 17, 19.
What? 20,
19.
10, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What goes on the side?
Yeah, that's how I can. Students enrolled.
Number of students. Okay, you see what we're doing? Can you fill in the rest? All right, we'll talk frequency tables and histograms and all the good things tomorrow, okay?
Is this just dots and then we connect?
Yes, you do connect them.
Dots connect.
Dots connect. Yep. If you get stuck and you don't know, check out here. Except there's not a time series graph right here. But there's your Pareto chart, pie chart, all the good things, right?
Why the pie chart stupid?
Okay, beautiful. That's all. Yeah, this pie chart is bad. Why is that pie chart bad?
Which one?
Because it has started at-
Because it's got to start right here and go. I don't like that. I don't like that it starts up and down. Nope, wrong. There you go. Okay. Good. And you need percentages on your pie chart. Okay, label all of your things, all right? Use your time to work on that. Go.
Can you go to the class? Are you printing that page?
What? What page?
When you reprint this page, I messed up not once but twice. First time it was an okay mess up. The second time I said I needed to.
Yeah, give me a second. You want me to stay on here?
Just for a second.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording for Reese. Bye, Reese.